How do I look? Solid? How's the new haircut? Like the fade? What's up guys, good afternoon. Welcome to another day of the vlog. This is your first time. I'm Shea, joined here with my buddy Matt over here. Matt Eden. Woo! Coming to you today with a new adventure, a new event. We're in La Quinta, California, Indian Wells Tennis Garden. All the greats that play tennis here. If you're a tennis fan and you don't know what the tennis garden is, are you good, bro? Because this is gonna be an amazing event. We're joined with some other amazing acts. I'm gonna show you that very shortly. Let's get to this party. We gotta be on in less than an hour. We're gonna do some flair. Me and this guy, Matt. This guy.
Time. Are you good, bro?
It's time. If you haven't followed this guy, go follow him on Instagram at Matthew
T. Eden. MATTHWTEDEN. That's fine. It's
okay.
Not a big deal.
I'll link it right here.
Right down there.
Right here. And I'll also link it in the description for you. You should go check him out. His flair's pretty good. His mixology is on point. If you want to learn how to make some great cocktails, follow this guy. Or just make sure to follow us on Instagram at Mixology Flaired. And if you haven't yet, I don't really know what you're looking for because we got the best flair and mixology content on the gram all day, every day. Let's get to this party. What do you say? Let's go. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Have you hit the bell yet? Are you going to be notified?
Ding.
Have you subscribed yet? Okay, I think it's down here. Somebody told me the button is right down here. It might be up here depending on what device you're on, but subscribe to the channel. If you want to hang out with us every time we drop a new video, a new tutorial, a new vlog, you got to check it out. All right, let's get to this party. You get the heavy stuff, Matt. I think we're ready to go. So we just wanted to give you a little update. What's going on back here? Let you see the setup. We want to take a quick moment to tell you a little bit about how to set up a private event bartending gig like this one, fast, easy, and efficiently. Number one, the key is to get here early. You have to get here early because you never know what you're going to walk into. It could be the jankiest setup ever. Thank God that our partners today, they really know how to set up a great event. So obviously, look at this, it's absolutely fantastic. Now, the crew that we're working with, beautiful, beautiful people. Sometimes you never know who you're gonna work with. So you wanna get here early. Make sure you have ample time to set up your bar, because you could not have anything. The ice could be completely a mile away and you never really know. So you wanna get here early. Number two, make sure that you bring enough of your own bar tools because you never know if anyone is going to bring you anything to work with. It's really key. If you want to be a professional, you have to bring your own gear. Just like a chef brings their own knives to work, a bartender needs to bring their own bar tools. Like a muddler, a bar spoon, mixing tins. And if you don't have any mixing tins, take this opportunity, check the link in the description right here. Link is in the bio, www.mixologyflaired.com/shop. Go pick up your mixing tins. You get your cheater tins right here. You can also get your cutting board, just like this one. You want to make sure you have a cutting board. If you don't have a cutting board, you're going to be cutting holes, cutting lemons and limes on the bar top. Not good. Make sure you have a great knife, great sharp knife. A dull knife is the most dangerous. 49 people? 49 in route.
Yes.
There's 49 people in route. Did you hear that, guys?
49 people en route.
Make sure you have a really sharp knife because there's 49 people. I'm talking to my people.
Oh,
I'm talking to my people.
Now it's
I'm talking to all my fans out here. Hey guys, You know, so if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, double bump the bell. You know, you have 7 minutes. You gotta make sure you gotta double bump the bell. And getting made fun of right now. You see how that goes? Double elbow bump the bell. You want to hang out with us every single time we drop a video, a tutorial, something like that. So make sure. Another great thing that you need to bring to work is pour spouts. You're never going to have enough pour spouts. You could break some could be corroded. You might not have any pour spouts to work with, and you don't want to just be free pouring out of the bottle, because that's how you get unbalanced cocktails. You want to make sure that you have pour spouts. Really key. And another great thing that you want to have a tip jar, guys. If you want to make the rent, you want to feed the dogs, you got to make some tips. Make sure you have more than enough water, because at the end of the night, your guests are going to need a lot of water. Get your bar towels either, because you got to dry up. What is that, Matt?
Oh, these bar towels.
Bar towels, guys. How could I forget bar towels? Make sure that you have more than enough bar towels, bar rags. Wipe off your bar. You're going to need those. Also, guys, almost the most important thing you need to bring to a ship.
Tip jar.
We already talked about the tip jar. That's important, not the most important. The most important thing, guys, is a smile. Make sure you come with a great attitude and a great smile, because nobody wants a bartender that has zero personality and is just a grump. You want to come here and have a good time. You're going to sit at my bar. You want to have a good time. So you, the bartender out there, need to have a great smile. Okay? And that's all I got for you guys today. Check in the next video. We'll really break it down. Other things that you really need at a different bar setup. But for today, that's all we need. Music's about to get going. I don't have a license for that. So let's get to this party. All right, guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope it was valuable for you. If you have any questions, put a comment down below. I'll get back to you ASAP. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, guys. Double bump that bell. Make sure you're notified every single time I'm in another place in the world doing another crazy adventure. I know you want to be notified, so hit that bell. And guys, before I get out of here, I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to all my bar ninjas out there. Hope you guys have a fantastic week. And go check out the link in the description, www.mixologiflaired.com/shop. Get all your fly bar gear this week. It's Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales all week long, guys. 50% off the entire store. That means you can get a cool hat like this one, a flare bottle like this one. If you want to be a pro bartender, you got to get some flare bottles, you got to get some tins, you got to get the right swag, you got to be set up for success. So make sure to go pick those up this week only, guys. 50% off the entire website. So go check it out. I love you guys. We'll see you soon. Keep flipping, keep mixing. We'll see you on the next adventure. I love you. Peace.